Hello everyone, myself Ncert from Ncert Medical College. Today we're going to start with page number 109, chapter Biomolecules, Ncert Biology class 11. Now the very important question from these pages can be of structures like a cell membrane, and cell membrane and the other membranes are broken into pieces and vesicles which are not water soluble. These molecules are not water soluble. Therefore, this membrane fragments in the form of vesicles get separated along with the acid insoluble pool, and hence in the macromolecular fraction. Earlier video, I have talked about the acid insoluble pools macromolecular fraction. Now the cell membrane molecules, how they are identified into macromolecular fraction has been said in this paragraph. You should not get confused, and if in case any confused, you can see the previous video. Now chemical composition of living tissues from abundance point of view and arrangement class wise. Now average composition of the cell is mentioned here, and you have to remember this compositions like water 70 to 90%, proteins 10 to 15, carbohydrates 3. You have to remember this. As MCQ can be put any one of this from them. Now coming to the proteins, they are the polypeptides and linear chains of amino acids. So you have to remember that proteins are made from linear chains of amino acids linked by peptide bonds, hence they are called as polypeptide. You have to link all these three, and as we have mentioned earlier, there are only 20 type of amino acids makes all the proteins. So the examples of amino acids are given here. Now proteins is a heteropolymer and not a homopolymer, and the definition of homopolymer is given here. You have to remember that a homopolymer has only one type of monomer repeating n number of times. Only one type of monomer is present in protein, that is amino acid. They are repeating again and again to form a polypeptide and protein. Now for here, the functions and of the proteins is very, very important. This list has been question from this list have been asked previously, that collagen intracellular ground substance, trypsin is an enzyme. You will get this in later chapters. Insulin is a hormone. Antibody fight against function of antibodies has been asked previously in some examination. Now receptors, sensory receptors, these GLUT4 etc. are function of the GLUT4 has been asked previously, enables glucose transport into cells, and all these are proteins you have to remember. Now coming to the next important MCQ, they might ask you from this page about the dietary proteins are the source of essential amino acids. Now amino acids can be essential or non-essential. The essentials are which are not formed inside your body, and these are supplied by your food or diet. It is mentioned here in NCERT that latter are those which our body can make, and we get essential acids through our diet. So you have to remember this definition for essential and non-essential amino acids as well. Thank you.